Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how I make my sponge cake. It's very easy to make. It's not expensive, only 4 ingredients: eggs, sugar, flour, and baking powder. So this sponge a little bit on the dry side, but I always use a syrup. For this recipe, you would need 6 eggs, but I am doubling my recipe, so I'm doing 12 eggs. I'm cracking the whole egg. I'm not separating egg yolk and egg white. It's a lot faster, but you would have to whip it a little bit longer. So now I have 12 eggs, and I'm gonna add 2 cups of sugar. If you're doing only 6 eggs, you would have to add 1 cup of sugar. Now I'm gonna add sugar to the eggs and whip the eggs. Now eggs are ready. And I'm gonna add flour and baking powder to the eggs. I always sift my stuff first. So I'm gonna add, usually I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder for 1 cup of flour. And I'm gonna sift it. And I'm gonna fold in my flour into the eggs mixture. Until it's all combined. Now I'm gonna spray my cake pan. And put batter into the cake pans. I have 3 cake pans. And then mix it really good, so I'll make sure that I mixed all the flour first. I'm not gonna put a lot because it's gonna rise in the oven. And I'm gonna do batter with all the other pans. I preheated my oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I am baking with a fan. And I'm gonna bake for 15 minutes, and after I'm gonna check my cakes. Here's my cakes. So I checked them after 15 minutes, so they needed a few more minutes. Actually, it depends on your oven too. You would have to watch it. I baked on 375, and at work I bake my cakes at 300, so you would have to watch it. And I let them cool for about 10 minutes, and now I'm gonna take them out of the pan. I took my cakes out of the pan, and this is how they look like.